How to change payment information for your HP All-in plan. If you would like to update or change payment information for your HP All-in plan account, you can do so through the HP Smart webpage. To begin, sign into your account at hpsmart.com. Select Account, and then select Shipping and Billing. Here, under your billing, you can view your saved payment information or the option to add a new payment method if one isn't already saved. Select Manage your payment method. Enter your new payment information and confirm. Your HP All-in plan payment information is now updated.